If Discord is showing error 1001, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get past the issue and connect your account properly. This is especially useful if you're trying to link a third-party account like YouTube or a gaming platform and the connection keeps failing. By the end, you'll know exactly what to try first, what to clear, and how to reset the connection so you can move forward. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing I want you to try is using Discord Web instead of the desktop app or the mobile app. Open your browser and sign in to the web version of Discord. Sometimes the browser version handles account linking more smoothly, and it can bypass glitches that happen inside the installed app. Once you're logged in, try linking your account again and see if the error still appears. If it works in the browser, then you've already found the easiest fix. If not, the next step is to clear Discord's client cache on Windows. This can help remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing the problem. To do this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %appdata/discord and press Enter. This will open the Discord folder. Now look for the cache folder and delete it. After that, close everything, reopen Discord, and try the link process again. Clearing the cache often gives the app a fresh start and can fix strange connection issues like error 1001. Now, if you're linking an external account, such as YouTube or a gaming profile, there's another trick that can help. Go to that third-party platform and slightly change your username or profile name. Even a small adjustment can sometimes bypass a validation bug during the connection process. Then come back to Discord and try linking the account again from scratch. This doesn't always solve the issue, but when the error is caused by profile validation, it can make a big difference. Another thing you should check is your authorized apps inside Discord. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then look for Authorized Apps. If the external application is already listed there, remove it first. This resets the permission link and clears out any broken authorization that may be causing the error. After removing it, go back and try the linking process again as if it were brand new. A fresh authorization can often fix stubborn account connection problems. If one fix doesn't work, move to the next one in order, because these steps are meant to eliminate the most common causes one by one. Start with Discord Web, then clear the Windows cache folder, slightly modify the third-party profile if needed, and finally reset authorized apps before retrying. That sequence gives you the best chance of fixing the issue without wasting time. And if you're still seeing error 1001 after trying everything, double-check that the external service is working properly and that your Discord account is in good standing. Sometimes the problem is temporary and resolves after trying again later. So, to recap, use Discord Web, clear the Windows cache folder, slightly modify the connected account profile if needed, and remove the app from authorized apps before retrying. Those steps should help you fix Discord error 1001 and get your account connected again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Discord fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.